Good morning, dear students. How are you all after listening about your upcoming test? Are you all prepared? Have you all completed your notebooks? Today I will give you 30 dictation words of English which will be taken along with GK in your test. So you need to prepare these 30 English dictation words, right? Now it's time to study for your upcoming test, students. Don't take them lightly. These marks will be included in your results. There is no mass promotion. आप खाली एग्ज़ाम नहीं दोगे फिर भी पास हो जाओगे ऐसा है नहीं, right? So what you are supposed to do is, today I'll send you all the 30 dictation words. You'll write them 3 times in your English notebook only. Okay, English notebook में आपको लिख लेना है 3 times सारे dictation words लिखने हैं. Fine, we'll start with the dictation words. The first one is grabbed. Second one is squeaked. Third one is shirked. Fourth one is stucco. Fifth one is frightened. Sixth one is offend. Seventh one is ancestor. Eighth one is raggeder. Ninth one is slack. And 10th one is whistled. 11th one is delicious. 12th one is procession. 13th one is intended. 14th one is tricked. 15th one is mutter. 16th one is encourage. 17th one is honor. 18th one is delighted. 19th one is thumped. 20th is stimulate. Students, all these words you'll write 3 times in your English notebook. Fine, that's your homework and you'll be doing it in your English notebook. All the dictation words 3 times. 21st is frontiers. 22nd, neutralized. 23rd, licensed. 24, fortunately. 25th one, disaster. 26th, journalist. 27th, encyclopedia. 28th, astrophysics. 29th, inspiration. And 30th one, the last one, bandaged. Students, so do your homework properly in your English notebook. Now we'll start with value education revision. Okay, and I have already given you homework of writing details and important points about Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekanand and APJ Abdul Kalam. If you haven't completed that work, you can go on my channel and have a look on the videos of it, right? किसी के पास वीडियो नहीं है वो 3 चीज़ों का, right? तो आप क्या करोगे ना, वो जो 3 वीडियोस हैं वो मैंने चैनल पे डाली है. अभी जो लिंक शेयर की उसमें जाके आप वीडियोस में सर्च करोगे तो आपको वैल्यू एजुकेशन का सारा वीडियो मिल जाएगा. मैंने कल अपलोड किया है. महात्मा गांधी, स्वामी विवेकानंद, एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, टैगलाइन डाला है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैविंग द कंटेंट विथ यू, इफ़ यू हैवंट completed your homework, go through the video once. Students, let us start our value education revision with lesson number 6, teamwork. I'll read out fill in the blanks and everything for you. If you haven't completed your notebook, you can complete by using this video. And if you are done with it, you can check your answers in your notebook if you have written correctly or not. Fine, so I'm reading out for you all. Do listen, do complete if you have not done it. Fill in the blanks. First one is teamwork is the key to success. Teamwork is your answer. Second one is there is oneness in diversity in our country. Diversity is your answer. Nation can prosper only if people are united. Nation is your answer. Then you have green is the sign of life and hope. Okay, life and hope. Red is the color of danger and bravery. Danger and bravery are the answers. Fine. So these are the fill in the blanks of lesson 6. Now let's move ahead to true and false part of our lesson 6, right? The first true and false is being a part of a team will help to develop interpersonal skills. True. Second one is once upon a time colors began to quarrel. True. Orange is the color of health and strength. True. Yellow is the color of passion. False. Red is the color of passion. When collaborate, we identify our strength and weakness. True. That's all about true and false. Now we'll move ahead to the MCQ part. The first one is working in team enhances one's learning and understanding. That's your answer. Learning and understanding. Enhances means it encourages to develop. Then second one is the blue sky gives space and peace. The third one is rainbow is the sign of hope for tomorrow. Fourth one is indigo is the color of silence. Your answer is indigo. Then the fifth one is a team always require a leader. Leader is your answer. So that is all about the lesson number 6, students. See, if you are not written all these things in your notebook, you can use this video and complete your notebook also. Now students, we will start with the revision of lesson number 5, being courteous. We'll start with fill in the blanks. The first one is the boy was walking through a park when he saw a magic tree. Okay, so park is your answer. The next one is thank you and please are the magical words. Thank you and please, they are your answers. Courteousness means being polite and well mannered. Courteousness is your answer. True politeness requires humility and good senses. Humility is your answer. Fifth one is Michelle heard little voices in her heart. Heart is the answer. Okay, that's all about the fill in the blanks of this chapter. Now we will move ahead to the MCQ part. So let's start with the first MCQ. The first MCQ is Michelle went into kitchen to prepare dinner. Kitchen is the answer. Eliza brought some flowers for her mother. Eliza is your answer. We should treat everyone with courtesy. Courtesy is the answer for the MCQ, right? Then the fourth one is courtesy is a mark of gentleman's courage. So courtesy is again your answer. Then the fifth one is polite behavior must be automatic and natural. Polite is your answer. Now we'll move ahead to true and false part. The first one is Eliza brought candies for mom. False. She didn't bring candies. What did she bring? She bought flowers. The boy did not bring his friends to the tree for enjoying party. The little boy who said all the magical words, did he bring his friends? Yes. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है did not bring. So it's a false one. Then the third one is we should interact with others in pleasing way. Yes, that is true. When we talk to anyone, we should talk in a very polite and a pleasing manner so that others like it. Then the fourth one is politeness is the privilege of kings. Again, it's true. Then the fifth one is hot pasta was spilled by Michelle. Yes, it is true. कैसे spill हो गया था? पीछे से एलिजा आई थी, उसने मम्मी बोला तो Michelle got surprised and from her hand hot pasta spilled and she shouted on Eliza. So students, I gave you revision of lesson number 6 and lesson number 5. Tomorrow, that is on Saturday, we'll be doing the rest of the chapters. Okay, and if you have not completed your notebook, students, do complete at least these chapters from the video. Okay, that's all for today, students. We'll see you very soon. Do write dictation words in your English notebook 3 times. 3 टाइम आपको लिखना है. That's your homework. We'll see you tomorrow. Keep your books up to date and prepare well for your test.